How to connect maps to Toyota Camry. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to walk through the process of connecting maps to your Toyota Camry using the Toyota app, Apple CarPlay, or Android Auto for a seamless navigation experience. Step 1. Download the Toyota app. First, on your smartphone, you need to download the official Toyota app to kick off the pairing process. If you're using an iPhone, you can find it in the App Store. If you have an Android device, go to Google Play Store and search for Toyota app. Step 2. Add your vehicle. Once you install it and open the app, you'll be directed to the initial screen. Here, you need to add your vehicle to the application using vehicle identification number. If you don't know where to find it, don't worry. A QR code should be appearing on your Camry Media's display screen. You can scan this code directly with the app to quickly add your car. Step 3. Save changes. After you fill in your car's information, make sure to tap or click on Save Changes to proceed with the setup. Step 4. Connect via Bluetooth. Now the Toyota app is configured on your phone, the next step is to connect your phone to your Camry Bluetooth system. This connection is essential to initiate Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Step 5. Accept pairing on media screen. Once your phone is connected via Bluetooth, you should see a message pop up on your camera media display screen. It will likely ask you for permission to pair with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Make sure to click Yes or Allow to accept the pairing request. Step 6. Enjoy navigation and media. You're all set. You can now enjoy the navigation and media features of your Toyota Camry while you drive. If you're using an Android phone, this will be your menu layout. And if you're an iPhone user, this is the menu you will see. And that's it. You successfully connect maps to your Toyota Camry. Now you can enjoy safe and convenient navigation on all your journeys. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks.